Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So what if I tell you that this image wasn't shot on a camera, wasn't edited on Photoshop and wasn't even drawn by hand. It was fully generated using ChatGPT. So in this video, I'll show you how I created this moody cinematic black and white portrait using nothing but AI and a single prompt. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and head over to the ChatGPT. And here, make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the ChatGPT, to create a photo that I have shown before, you need to upload a photo and give a ChatGPT a detailed prompt. So here, I'm gonna simply click on the plus icon at the text bar, and from the pop-up menu, I'm going to simply click on Add Photo and Files. And here, a file windows will pop up. From here, I'm going to simply select the file that I want to upload and open it. And here, once I have uploaded a photo, I'm going to give it a prompt like create a high contrast black and white closer portrait of the referenced man, and the image should depict only the left half of his face, partially submerged in water and with water droplets and bubbles visible on his skin and hair. Illuminate the left side of his face dramatically, casting the rest into deep shadows, dark background detailed in skin texture, beard subtle, and eye focus to evoke a moody cinematic atmosphere. And here I have also given the prompt in the video description, so if you like to create one, you can just check it on the video description. And with that, moving forward to the video. And once you're done giving it a prompt, just hit enter and ChatGPT will start the generation of the portrait image. And after some time, boom, the image is created. And here, if you focus on the image, it looks very detailed, starting from the texture in the skin to the droplets. And that's it. That's how you can create a cinematic portrait. So if you want to try this yourself, I have included the exact prompt in the video description. So you can like this video if you found it inspiring, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got more insane AI tricks coming on your way. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.